Hi everyone, it's Classy Nails here with another nail video. So in this edition, I have selected my nails. The brand is Kiss. I have my supply kit that includes my nail filer. I'm going to use probably for the cuticle portion. I've got some Q-tips to remove excess glue, and I've got my favorite glue. And this glue, you'll see, is also, hopefully you can see that, is also by Kiss. So I like the color of these. They're kind of like a turquoise and a mint green. And so I feel like they'll add a good pop to my nails. So right now, my nails from the previous press-ons. And if this is your first time watching the video, Classy Nails video, thank you. But this is just me taking a few moments out of my day to have some me time, doing one of my favorite pastimes, which is putting on artificial nails that I've been doing since I was a teenager. And over the years, the brands have progressed and they're not the little cheapy ones so much, but they're good. I find these to be good quality nails. So this is one of the brands. So first, we're just going to start by taking the nails out of the packaging. And the initial step is to basically match the nail sizes to my nails. Because I've been doing this for a while, I pretty much know what size each one of my nails is going to take. Lid back on my glue bottle, just pop it down here, click into place, sit it back in my container. And then I'll go through, do an examination of each nail to see if there's any excess glue. This one has a smidge, just grab it. These Q-tips, the edge of them are a little bigger. And so in terms of the underside of the nail bed, they're gonna be a bit, it's not gonna be able to like get down. So this, because I'm finished with it, I'm just going to discard. But I'm going to take my wood stick, and it doesn't matter on this side. This side has more of a triangle, and this is pointy. So because this, you can kind of, scoop if you have excess glue on the underside. So this has just a little glue, just a little smidge. And so I'll just take it and wipe it off on my napkin. Just because I don't want clumps to dry underneath. You want to give your nail a little air. So it's not much at all on this finger. And I'm just going to do an eye exam on the next hand. Same thing. And you can see, because the glue is shiny when it's wet, the pointer finger had the most. You can see that. So I'm just going to wipe it off on my, same thing for my thumb. I'm not going too far. It doesn't hurt or anything. So this is complete. In terms of that part of the process, installation is done on both nails. Now, the last and final part is, you can't really, I don't know if you may be able to see, but on the tip of each nail, there's a little pointer in the middle that's not quite smooth. And it seems to be from however they manufactured the nails in their mass production. This had to have been adhered to something else, and it was either like cut a loose or pulled a loose, but you want to smooth that out. So I'll take my metal file, or if you have the other nail filers that are disposable, you can take those. But I'll go through each nail the tip of it, I'll just give it a gentle file. And if the sides feel like they are pointy, then I will file them as well. But just a gentle file, because these nails are covered in a nail polish covering. I don't want to damage the nail color. So I'll just give it a gentle file across the tip and on the edge. Then I'll wipe off the excess and I'll proceed. Just wipe off any excess. Wipe off any excess. I'll clean this afterwards. I have a little trash can to the side, and our nails are complete. Look at that. Some other cautionary things that I will mention. The glue is almost dry on the underside of our hands. These are the stars of the show. And that's another installation of classy nails. One note of caution, I will just wait a few moments, 5 minutes or so, to let them finish the glue on the underside drying completely before you wash your hands, or else it'll create just a little light white layer on the underside of your nails. It will go away, but if you want to preserve the way your nails look initially, then I would just hold off 5 to 10 minutes before you place them under water. Thank you for watching a Classy Nails video. Until next time.